Let's look at the functions of adding the keywords for tracking. What is a keyword in Amazon advertisement? This is a specific search query that the client enters to find the product that interests us. We track the keywords in order to understand on which page and position our ad is located in the organic view. Knowing this information, we will be able to increase the traffic through both advertising and organic sales, to bring our keywords to the first pages and get the most out of total sales. To add keywords for tracking, we need to enter the ASIN of the product that we need, or SKU. We can also find it by the name of the product. Click. The program loads the product. If the keywords were already in the tracking, information on the products will be shown. If not, we can choose two options, the first automatic and the second manual. Let's first consider the automatic one. Press the Add button. We see the option from the drop-down menu of the pages we need to collect keywords from. 5 pages are shown in our case, from the 1st to the 5th to be specific. We select the one that interests us. We press search, and in our case, now from the 1st to the 2nd page, they will find all the keywords that are in these positions and on these pages. Here we will see a list of those keywords. It shows the position on which the product is located, the page on which the product is located, first, second, the number of requests per month for a given keyword, and its volume. If all the keywords are suitable for us, click Add. Here are shown the list of keywords that we do not have tracked yet. If the keywords are already in tracking, this information will not be visible. We can see that the keywords are loaded. The second is the manual option. All the words that we already tracking are shown here. We don't want to delete them. On a new line, insert the keywords that we need to add. Insert, click Save, and these keywords will be loaded and added to the whole list. The first column we see is a graph of pages on which the keywords are located over the past 7 days, and how they behaved. The second column represents the keywords themselves. The third column is the relevance of the key. The higher the percentage closer to 100, the more relevant the keyword is. Further, the volume of requests, the number of requests per month, the position on which the keyword is located, and the page on which to be located. Then it is shown how the product behaved over the past 7 days. The ad rises 6 positions higher or falls by 6 positions, plus 3 are added. The information we see is after the last 30 days. Next information is shown when the last update of the program was made. Next, information on when we added a tracking keyword. And the last column shows how many advertising campaigns have been launched for this keyword. Also, if we click on a keyword, we will see a chart below with more detail for what period on which page our keyword hit. That's all the information related to the keyword functionality.